Hey, it's Ty with Credit Suite, and in this business credit funding tip, I'm going to talk to you more about how to get business credit without affecting your personal credit quality reports or scores. So 10% of your consumer credit score is based on inquiries. This has to do with basically the credit you're applying for, where an inquiry is put on your consumer credit report and it adversely affects your consumer credit scores. Now, those inquiries can then even stay on your credit report for many years to come and adversely have an impact on you during that time. So some unsecured business funding options even won't approve you if you have 6 inquiries or more in the last 6 months. So one or two inquiries in a 6 month time period can prevent you from getting approved or cost you $25,000, $30,000 or more. This is why it's so important that you do not use consumer credit to fund your business. Just by letting people pull your consumer credit, you're putting inquiries on your report, which make it harder for you to get business financing and harder for you to have your credit scores be where they need to be so you can use your credit to buy things personally and to help fund your business.